Hello from Slovenia again. I have two MDF boards, 6 by 8, just little ones, and I always tend to mix a little too much paint for my pours, and I did this springy looking flip cup. This is my consistency, and my colors, because I did flip cup and balloon dips, has a silicone oil. This is paint art silicone oil in them, and because I have those paints left, and because I never did a double dip with paints mixed with silicone, I thought to myself, okay, it's good time to try, because you know, when you have some paints left, it's time to try maybe something different, new, experiment, not just when you have leftover paints. But I normally do that when I have leftover paints. So I will basically just put my white down, and my titanium white doesn't have silicone oil, and spread it out, and then I will drizzle some of that paints on top and dip it together, lift it horizontally and spread them apart. Julie will say a squishy dip. Just, you know, with dips it doesn't matter how you pull two boards or canvases around. So my white base is down, and I will start with some of this emerald green by Amsterdam, and I don't want too much paint, you know. Have to be careful not to add too much paint. Maybe I should, because it has silicone oil, but we will see. And this is yellowish green by Amsterdam, and I will not use pearl white today because I have silicone oil, and I hope that I will get some different results. This is Amsterdam Gold Light. And now I will drizzle some titanium white again. And some Windsor Violet. Oop. And some Ecuador Rose Light by Amsterdam. I'm smelling spring, so and some cyan blue by Amsterdam, primary cyan. I will just scrape this part off and add a little white here again. Okay, so now let's dip this together and see what will happen, shall we? One on top of each other, squeeze them together. Lift them up. don't know what to think. I will torch it and then maybe I will dip it again. Let's see what will happen. I'm not sure. So let's dip it again and hopefully there will not be just mud out of that. I will tear them apart the other way, I think. I like it more now. So let's see. Maybe not all, just some parts with cells. I think that I will leave it like it is. I like how there is a little bit of cells and a little bit of everything, so just want to dip here a little bit. Sorry for my breathing, I'm still, you know, recovering. Okay, and I'm done. So let me move this and take it down for a close-up. So here it is. I will say that I like it now because I do have some nice cells and still some nice transparency and colors and wispiness. but I prefer those double dips without silicone oil, I will say. But it's interesting in a way. Which double dips you like more? With or without a silicone oil? Maybe I will just add a little something here, a little stripe too. I don't know. But it's interesting. So this was it for today, and see you on Wednesday. Bye.